Hey everyone, this is Chelsea with Scott Loray Marketing, and today's tip video is how to create a direct mail campaign with a pre-made template versus a custom mailer. So we're going to talk about the difference between the two of them so that you understand going into your direct mail campaigns, which one would be a better option for you. So we're going to start off by logging into our command account, and then we're going to go into our campaigns. Once we're in our campaign dashboard, we're going to click on Create Campaign in the top right corner. And because we are talking about direct mail, we will select our direct mail. We'll enter our campaign name. And then when we go to select our goal, you're just going to look at any of these various options and choose whichever one applies for what you are looking to do for your campaign. We'll click Create Campaign. And this is going to bring us into the editor for our campaign where we can start creating this campaign. So what we're going to talk about today specifically is the content portion. So before we talk about anything else, I do want to come down to content, and I'm going to click on this drop down so that it opens up this information. So what we're going to talk about here is the difference between the default templates and the custom templates. So the default template means that Command is going to create this campaign for us. Custom template, however, is if we are creating a design either within Design through the Design applet or from another design platform, and we are going to upload that pre-made template fully into the campaign editor. So that's how the differences between the two are. So one is giving you the option, the default template is giving you the option to really select and make the changes and create it within the campaign. Whereas the other option to upload a custom template is just going to be showing you how you can upload the front and the back. So let's get into a little bit more about this. So the default template, you're going to see we have a drop down here. If we click on this, it's going to give us different options in sizes. We can enter the listing details. And then down at the bottom, we can upload our image. So we can select Browse. Go ahead and click on that image. And it is going to add that, as you see over on the right, to our campaign mailer. Now, if we are seeing this up here, it's going to show us that we're taking a look at the front of the mailer right now. We can click on that drop down and then we can select back, and it's going to show you everything that is on the back of the mailer. Now, if we were to move over to our custom template, because this is the option that we wanted to use for this particular mailer, you're going to see down here that you have the ability to upload the front of the mailer and the back of the mailer. So these are going to be pre-made, already existing templates that have been created outside of this particular campaign editor for you to just upload, and then it will show you that preview right over on the right-hand side. Now, one thing to keep in mind with the custom template is that it most likely will tell you, especially if you're doing it within the design applet of Command, that the size is going to be wrong because it is two different design platforms, so it is not going to match up. It is going to provide you with the sizing chart right here so that you may have to go back into your original design and make sure that the card size is matching up with one of these options here so that you don't run into any errors when you're going to upload your campaign in this section. So that is really going to be the biggest difference between both the default template versus the custom template. Everything else is going to be the same in terms of creating that campaign. So just keep that in mind. And of course, you'll be able to select whichever one works best for you within that particular campaign.